Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And from out of Ken's pile of stuff, we come across this. It's a 1972 AA1A Trainer, and it's November 9356 Lima. So stay tuned while we look at some more pictures from that original proof.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And here's November 9356 Lima as she flies over the city of Cleveland, one of their standard shots. They'd also be out over the water and over shipping to give a perspective with the airplane and formation flights and such. But lest we forget, that was where the factory was near in Cuyahoga County, Ohio, and let us not forget that they were produced by the American Aviation Corporation. So let us not forget that it was the American Aviation Corporation. American Aviation made the Yankee, and then American Aviation became Grumman-American, and then finally Gulfstream American, and that's how it all played out. And Ken was with it all the way along the way. And then here you go. Here's this folder, 1972 Trainer AA1A, November 9356 Lima. So there's from some of Ken's stuff. And again, their standard shot over the city with the lake all in the background falling into the haze. So there you go, November 9356 Lima, 1972. And here it is registered now as AA1A, serial number 170, down in Texas. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found all this useful and informative, folks. Up in it and she feels safe. There she is.